Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. It's John here, and we are looking today at the Armstrong Siddeley Lancaster. You can see that it's a bit poor. Well, it's not poorly. I don't want to say poorly. We are tinkering with the car. We've got all sorts of bits and pieces out here. Motor oil and brake and clutch cleaner and oil filter and EP90 and gearbox oil and .4 and all the maintenance manuals in the world. Here we've got the Penn Bradley books, and if you're an Armstrong Siddeley owner and you haven't got these Penn Bradley technical books, I recommend you buy those. They are wonderful. We've got the official maintenance manual, we've got the service manual, and then this is a library book of the service manual for cars with that chassis number, which I'm not really sure because you can't really see. Anyway, Armstrong Siddeley then, 1949. It's in Dad's workshop at the moment because it's having a bit of TLC. He has done some bits already. Let's take a look under the engine bay, and you can see that there's some bits that's been done already. We've had a new distributor fitted, or Dad has fitted a new distributor. That's there, by the way, the distributor. It's got the distributor cap on. It had the wrong distributor in it, meaning that it actually retarded as opposed to advanced. Dad's taken off some bits and pieces that were leaking. This was leaking, and he has sealed that up. This brake fluid reservoir is leaking, so we need to sort that out. But it's getting a general overhaul and a look at. When I bought the car 4 or 5 years ago now. No, I didn't. I bought it during the first lockdown, sight unseen. When I bought the car, first of all, I didn't go and look at it. That's my fault. But it was advertised. I actually thought I'd been scammed. The car was really cheap, and I bought it sight unseen. The reason I've come round today with my books and my oil and bits and pieces is we're going to just do a few things. Oh, also, Dad's fitted a new belt because this belt was no good. New sort of drive belt there. He's fitted that. So the reason I've come around is to bring some stock, some oil and all these bits and pieces, and my books, because we're going to take off the rocker cover and have a look at the hydraulic tappets in there, because they are making a little bit of a racket. Dad reckons that they're probably not set right. We found a problem as well under here, which is the differential leaks like a sieve. This rear axle diff is very, very leaky. You can see it there. It leaves a big puddle in my garage if you've seen the videos of my garage. So I've ordered a new gasket for that. That should solve that problem. And it's just a case of getting it all nice and tidy and ticking over. Let's start it up. So see if you can hear a difference between when I first brought it round and now. The engine's running. And you can hear it's running a lot smoother, a lot nicer and a lot better than it was. But them hydraulic tappets are still rattling in Dad's opinion, so he's going to try and tighten them up and set them correctly, which is what we need to do on the book. But yeah, turn that off. Just a quick update then on the Armstrong Siddeley in the workshop. There's loads of stuff to do. I wish I'd got a video of what Dad actually did, because he took the old distributor, took the new distributor, which was wrong, and then made a good distributor out of the two by drilling holes and fabricating bits and pieces. It would have been a very good video. There's Bruce the Panda. What's he doing in here? So yeah, that is the Armstrong Siddeley Lancaster update video. Not as broken as it was. So hang on, let's get it right. New distributor. It's had a new drive belt. It's had some things taken off and sealed so they are not leaking. That is the jobs that have been done. Things that we are going to do: flush the coolant system. That's a job to do. Put new coolant in. New oil filter and oil. Check the hydraulic tappets and fix the leaky rear axle pinion leak. lots of jobs to do, and then it's my job to make it look shiny again, because at the moment it's looking a bit flat in places, and you can see on this bonnet it's not very good. So we'll get the turtle wax on. This car likes nothing other than turtle wax. It is a funny old paint. It doesn't like anything other than turtle wax, but it does come up lovely when it's been turtle waxed, so that's my next job once it's all fixed. Anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, please. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Until next time, take care and goodbye.